For Lab 3, question number 8, we'll be doing the vertical profile graph. We'll take this Florida shelf map, starting at A. I've drawn a line across so that I can see my numbers easily for graphing. Then you will take the graph paper given to you in your printables. It actually says Florida shelf, line from point A. And I'm going to fold this over just to make it a little easier to see my lines. All right, and this should line up nicely. Actually, it's not quite perfect. So 86 degrees west, 86 degrees west, 85, 85, 84 lines up with 84, 83 lines up nicely. And you can see our A's don't quite match up, so I'm going to move that A and place it here instead so that it actually does line up with our map properly. Now, I can look at the depths. You can see we're still pretty shallow here. We're not going to get to 50 feet for a little while. So 50 feet is going to be right around here. So I'm going to mark that on my map as 50. So you can see our scale goes 0 to 200. So 50 is going to be pretty shallow right there. Now we're looking for 100 feet of depth. And you can see that's going to be right around here. And again, 100 is just at that very first line. 200 is our next depth that we need to graph. So again, about halfway in between here. And we'll just make a line at the 200. 400 is going to be right about here. And again, we'll go down to the 400 here. Make a line. 600, wow, that's really close right here. So we're going to do 600 right here. 800 just here. 1,000. Make sure things stay lined up nicely. Right about here. And 2,000 here. So you can see on the Florida shelf, it stays shallow for quite a while. But once it starts to get deep, it gets deep fast. And then we're going to do 3,000, which will be right about here. Again, follow that down all the way to 3,000. And then you can connect those lines from point A over to 50, 100, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000. And that helps you visualize just a little bit better what that depth is doing over distance. And of course, if you have any questions about the vertical depth profile, you can ask your TAs.